Hello everyone. Today we are gonna to present about how to presentation and self-introduce properly. With me, my name is Ananda Dzakwan Rosyad, and my friend
Muhammad Irfan Aliansyah.
and I hope you all enjoy our videos.
Let's go.
What are you doing, bro?
I'm doing my homework about how to presentation and introduce myself. Then I'm confused. How do I deliver a presentation about myself for today?
Before giving a presentation about yourself, you have to prepare what you are going to present.
What is the function of self-introduce?
Self-introduction explains about who you are, what you do, and what others need to know about you.
Usually, self-introduction is necessary at any moment.
When starting an interview and then attending an event, meeting new people, and giving presentation.
What good is it for me if I present myself in front of a new person?
The benefit for you is help build connections, enhance self-confidence, sharpens presentation skill, and many more benefit for you.
In that case, what should I say?
Your full name, nickname, home address, date and place of birth, college origin, major you took, your interests in the college you took, and your hobbies.
A good self introduction must include what?
A good self-introduction must include open and close your introduction well. While introduction, start with smile on your face and greet the person or audience to whom you are introducing yourself. Begin with your name and place after greeting, and if necessary, add family details to the information. Be brief about your educational details, interests or hobbies. Give details about the skill you have.
Okay, I'll start. But what about in the closing greetings? Do I have to say it formally?
If you want to present yourself in front of lecturers and friends, you must convey it formally. If only with close friends, you can convey it informally.
I see. Thanks, Nanda. I'll start working on it now.
Good luck and going well.